currently playing at the Ogan Theatre and has been and will be probably for the next 25 years. Watch this.
I play Cassandra, the Siamese Cat. To learn the character, I had to read about Siamese cats because they have a very unique kind of character. They're very much more like dog-like. They would follow you around the house, or they'd follow you. They're really, you know what I mean, like dog-like compared to other cats who are very independent. And they're very jealous, possessive, all that. So I'm trying to put all these little aspects somewhere in the show. And cat movement-wise, I guess it's just a matter of sense, you know, common sense. Just try to remember what a cat does when he washes himself or when he stretches, or just try to feel it. I go into a trance when I walk on stage. Like, some nights it's stronger than others. Some nights, like, my cat is so, it's like it's not me there. And some other nights, my dancing is better. Or, you know, it's like you all have good up nights and weird nights, and especially after a year run. But I feel like I just think like a cat. Why does she go out off stage? I don't want to just go off. That's kind of boring to me. So I try to think about, maybe she saw something. Saw me, Cassandra, saw something off stage that attracted her attention. Or maybe something on stage bugged her and she said, ah, the hell with it. I'm leaving. They're all boring anyway. Or, you know, like I try to make myself stories and believe them, if you could say.